The ion generator produces positive and negative ions from air moisture through plasma electrical discharge. In the same way as ions existing in nature, ions are very stable when included in water molecules, and high concentration is possible in our living spaces. When two ions stick to the surface of a virus, they transform into a highly oxidizing OH radical and draw out the hydrogen from the protein of the spike-shaped virus. OH radicals exert the strongest attractive force on hydrogen out of all the oxides. Protein from which hydrogen has been taken is degraded, and the OH radical returns to water. This sequence is performed in an instant, completely removing the virus.